Alright everybody, here is a stateroom tour of 7419 on the Carnival Splendor. Front door here. You've got your normal closets with your life vest up above. 3-bay closet, 2 of them look to be big. This one should have shelves in it. They don't have the card thing yet for the light switch, just a light switch. Thermostat here seems like it's set low. Here we've got the bathroom. Normal Carnival bathroom. Okay, here's something that in all the room tours I ever watch, nobody ever points out. You have another outlet right there. Just so y'all know. Pop that open. Outlet. Sure, it's not convenient for charging a phone or something like that, but if you're using something in the bathroom, there you go. So, everybody that says these things that only have one outlet. Kara's out there meeting the stateroom steward. So, they put our beds together. We asked for them separate because we actually like being able to spread out and be separate. But desk space here, mirror, this funky light that I see on a lot of Carnival ships. Got your TV rolling when you walk in with the information. And over here is the best part. We have the balcony. And look at that. Just a great view of the Queen Mary and Long Beach. This is our balcony. 2 chairs. One of them does recline. I will be spending a lot of time out here. We love the balcony. Well worth the little extra money. So, that's the stateroom tour with 7419 on the Carnival Splendor. Oh, I forgot. You got some storage down here. A couple. Oh, your safe is in there, and a shelf down below. And then there's the mini fridge there, a stool to do your makeup at the mirror. Little seating area here. Got all our backpacks and bags on there right now. That is the bonus to Faster to the Fun, people. Is it as soon as you board the ship at 11:25 and it's now 11:35, you can go to your room, unpack, settle in, get your cards, and go start having fun. So that's what we're gonna do right here, right now.